Okay, so little problem. I'm gonna just keep y'all updated with everything I can along this project. So long story short, our tub is 30 by 60. You need 15-inch clearance from your toilet. This is our toilet supply, vanity sink. So this house I'm doing, I'm putting a full bathroom down here. This is our tub drain. So we have 60 inches from inside of here to this wall. We have 15 inches from here to here where the tub is supposed to be. This edge represents this edge. Okay, so if we put this tub in here where it's gonna be at now, we'll probably have about 4 inches of clearance. Inspector will not pass that for the world. So unfortunately, this nice solid wall has to get bumped back to here. It has to come over to here. That'll give us our 15-inch clearance there. And this is maybe 2 or 3 inches short. That's not really my main concern. And also, I'm gonna have to dig out, trench this tub drain spout out, bring it up about here. So it's an unfortunate fuck up. Sometimes stuff happens. Sometimes stuff happens. That's just what it is. I'll be back with y'all in a few. Ugh. There we go. All right, just wrapping up my little day. Pressure treated wood on the bottom. Put this wall back up. Like I said, so our doorway is gonna go here. I slid this whole wall over. Had to put it up, redo everything. Now we're gonna trench this out, our tub drain, and bring it over around here somewhere. Like I say, so now we have our 30-inch clearance. We have 30 inches for our tub and our 15-inch clearance from the edge of the tub now. So everything is back on schedule. This is going to be our HVAC closet that I'm currently building, but I decided to call it quits for the day. Give y'all a little look. Plumbing work done. HVAC, electrical coming right behind it.